Now, as far as, for
Definitely.
example, the friends that you might be losing or you might be shedding, one thing is, um, you don't get to pick your family when you're born, obviously, but you do get to pick your friends, right? And that's very important. And if you read a book, it's called As a Man Thinketh. It talks about the same thing you're talking about, which in a way is just like the law of attraction. So if you become a different person and we're friends, and usually what we do is just hang out and waste time, and now you're not doing that anymore, well, being around you, Malcolm, kind of makes me uncomfortable. Kind of makes me feel like I'm not doing enough. You know what I mean? So I might just want to stop
Mm,
hanging around with you. And that's fine. That's fine, right? You don't have to change anybody or
yeah,
anything like that. But the main goal is
right.
now it's your job, Malcolm, to go out there and find the quality of friends that you actually want. Saying, for
Right.
example, I'm not really hanging out, I'm not really doing this. It's a little excuse. You know, I tell myself that also. And that's why, me
Mm-hmm.
personally, I'm putting myself out there more because I'm a little bit like you. You know, I have like a few good friends, like maybe five friends that I can say those are really my friends. But going to classes, like let's say for example, you go to a swimming class or you go to a real estate course or you gotta go to where the people that you want to be friends with are. You gotta find those people
Oh,
and you gotta build that circle.
right.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does make sense. It does. It does.
And it doesn't
It
have to
does. Have
be
you?
just physical. It can be, for example, on Facebook groups or meetup groups and all that stuff. Does that make sense?
Bum 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 ba ba da 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 ba da. You've got to stop.